Turtle versus tortoise. Turtle. A reptile that lives in water. The turtle swam in the pond. Tortoise. A reptile that lives on land. The tortoise moves very slowly. Bee versus wasp. Bee. An insect that makes honey and usually doesn't sting unless provoked. The bee landed on the flower. Wasp. A more aggressive insect that can sting multiple times and doesn't make honey. A wasp stung me on my arm. Wood versus timber. Wood. Material from trees used in making things. The chair is made of wood. Timber. It refers to cut trees used for construction. The carpenter ordered timber for the house. Cactus versus succulent. Cactus. A plant with spines that grows in dry areas. The desert is full of cacti. Succulent. A plant with thick, fleshy leaves that store water. Succulents need little watering. Gloves versus mittens. Gloves. They have separate spaces for each finger. She wore gloves to keep warm. Mittens. Mittens cover the whole hand with a separate thumb. Mittens are better for the cold. Soap versus detergent. Soap. It is used for cleaning hands or the body. Wash your hands with soap. Detergent. It is used for washing clothes or dishes. Use detergent for the laundry. Guarantee versus warranty. Guarantee. A promise that something will work. The product comes with a money-back guarantee. Warranty. A formal agreement to repair or replace something. The laptop has a 2-year warranty. Sleep versus nap. Sleep. It means to rest for a long period. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Nap. It means a short sleep. He took a nap after lunch. Smell versus sniff. Smell. It means to perceive an odor. I can smell fresh bread. Sniff. It means to take in air through the nose quickly. He sniffed the flowers. Guess versus estimate. Guess. It means to give an answer without enough information. I guessed the answer. Estimate. It means to make an approximate calculation. He estimated the total cost. Proud versus arrogant. Proud. It means feeling pleased with achievements. She is proud of her son. Arrogant. It means overly self-important, negative. He is arrogant and never listens to others. Cook versus bake. Cook. To prepare food with heat. She cooked a delicious meal. Bake. To cook in an oven. He baked a chocolate cake. Peel versus shell. Peel. To remove the outer layer of fruits or vegetables. Peel the banana before eating. Shell. To remove the hard covering of nuts or seafood. He shelled the peanuts. Watch versus clock. Watch. A small device worn on the wrist. He checked his watch. Clock. A large device that shows the time. There is a clock on the wall. Jacket versus coat. Jacket. A short, lightweight outerwear. He wore a leather jacket. Coat. A long, heavy outerwear. She bought a winter coat. Elder versus older. Elder. It is used for family relationships. My elder brother is a doctor. Older. It is a general comparison of age. She is older than her friend.